Hello students, welcome to SOURAV Sir's classes. Today we are going to give you some information about the Indian engineering services exam, that is the IES, which is also known as engineering services examination, ESE. This exam is conducted by UPSC, that is the Union Public Services Commission. Every year. The exam is conducted in 3 stages. So the first stage is the IS preliminary, the second stage is the IS mains, and the third stage is the personality test. Nearly 2 lakh candidates appear for the examination every year. So this exam is very competitive. The engineering services examination is conducted for 4 main branches. Write this in capital as well. So for 4 main branches, which are civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. The eligibility criteria is in nationality. So in nationality, he should be a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal, Bhutan, or Tibetan refugee who came over to India before 1st January 1962, or a person of Indian origin who migrated from Pakistan, Burma, Sri Lanka, East African countries, of Kenya, Uganda, the United Republic of Tanzania, Zambia, Malawi, Ethiopia, or Vietnam, intending to stay in India. Again, the age, sex, and marital status should comply with minimum age of 21 years and maximum age of 30 years. Male, female, both are allowed. And you could also be married or single, and this doesn't affect. There are age relaxations for reserved categories as well. Let me write the word relaxations properly, otherwise you won't be able to read it. Now, the stage 1 that is the prelims exam, they have the following format. So basically it has two papers. The prelims exam have two papers. Paper 1 is the general studies, and engineering aptitude, which takes place for 2 hours, and the maximum marks is 200. And the paper 2, now each branch has its own paper. So you'll have civil engineering for civil engineering people, mechanical engineering for mechanical engineering people, electrical engineering for electrical engineering people, and electronics and telecommunication engineering for those people. Thus, to know more, you can call WhatsApp or message us at 98367 93076. You can visit our website, that is www.souravclasses.com. Thank you for watching the video.